Here is an overview of sociology's three major theoretical perspectives. These perspectives offer different lenses to view and understand society and human behavior. First, the structural functionalist perspective views society as a complex system with interconnected parts that promote social stability. Think of the human body. Each organ has functions that contribute to the overall health and survival of the organism. Similarly, each part of society, like families, education, government, and religion, contributes functions that help keep society running smoothly. Structural functionalists analyze how these social structures shape norms, values, and behaviors. The conflict perspective. In contrast to emphasizing cooperation and stability, conflict theory focuses on competition, inequality, and power differentials in society. It sees society as groups competing for scarce resources and privileges. Those with more power seek to maintain their advantages. This dynamic of domination and subordination shapes social institutions and creates social change as disadvantaged groups struggle to gain greater rights and opportunities. Conflict theorists examine the divisions based on class, gender, race, and other factors. Finally, symbolic interactionism looks at the micro level of individual social interactions. This perspective highlights that we construct shared meanings and culture through face-to-face exchanges, communication, and interpreting gestures and symbols. Our identities and sense of self emerge from these social processes. Symbolic interactionists study topics like impression management, formation of the self, and how we present ourselves to align with cultural norms. In summary, structural functionalism analyzes the macrostructure of society, conflict examines group competition, and symbolic interactionism focuses on micro-level social interactions. Together, these three perspectives offer a multidimensional understanding of the social world.